Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of another best indicator guys. This is a boom and crash indicator, and this indicator also work on step index, and it also work on all currency pair. You can use this same strategy on all currency pair. So I'm going to explain on how to make use of this best indicator to trade your profits every day. So as you can see now, this is boom and crash, and this is boom 1000 1 minute time frames, and the indicator is not reprint indicator. It does not reprint. Once it show its signal, that signal is going to be permanent, and that is why this indicator is one of the best indicator you can see. So what you are going to be having is that you can see now we have the indicator here. We have the first indicator here, and we have another indicator on the chart that show you when to scrape up the market for few minutes. This can go for 10 minutes, this can go for 15 minutes. All what you need to do is to make sure that you have an accurate signal at the right time. So this will help you to identify your area for you to trade. So to get this indicator is very simple. What you need to do is to contact me, and I will reply to you immediately, guys. So you can see this is what we have on our particular chart currently now, and you can see that we have our trend moving at this particular area, that the market is giving us a downtrend. That's exactly what is happening at this moment. If you see the chart now, you can see that the market is coming on a downtrend. And same thing goes to here. We can see the indicator here that shows us that we have a downtrend. Same thing goes to this place, and you can take your particular trade from this particular time to this particular time. You can see that is on 1 minute time frames, and that is over more than 10 candlestick on 1 minute time frames. And same thing goes to this place also. And immediately you have your signal appear here. You are going to see this star in pink color appear at this upper area. Also, this indicator also is also not reprint. Once it appears, it does not disappear. You can see that. You can see the accurate of it at this level, and you can take your few candlestick. You can take 5 candlestick. You can take 10 candlestick without any issue, without any problem. You can see this. So you can see what happened. It bring out the first signal here out, and you can see what happened here. It showed the first, but after the 5 candlestick, a little spike happened, and this particular trade is coming down to this particular side. It's still coming down to break this zone, this level now. It's still going to break this level. Even if this one entered a spike, you can see what the second one is telling us now, that the second one is coming down to that particular level. So that's exactly what is happening in this particular indicator. So you can see what has happened so long. The same thing happened here, the same thing happened here, and we have a lot of it like that. Don't worry, this is a downtrend. You don't need to take the downtrend because of the massive of it, but you can see this what you are going to be taking. This is exactly what you are going to be taking. You are only going to be taking this indicator as a scraping tool for you guys. It's more benefit for all beginners and pros in the house to trade with this on all boom and crash, and also it works on all currency index. You can see what is happening on all currency index. You can see our signal here that go for a uptrend, and you can see what is happening in the market. We have a downtrend currently now. You can see what is happening here exactly. So the market now is coming on a downtrend. So it happens in the market. It happens in the market. This is real, and this is working. This is not a scam indicator for you guys. This is what you can get. So reach me now, contact me, and you're going to get access to this wonderful indicator. Thanks.